guys, today I have another Nailz by Dev collection swatch. Is that right? I don't know. Also, I feel like I'm looking ugh right now. Like, I actually quite like this makeup, but there's just something that's not translating, and I can't. So we're just gonna get into this video, and we're gonna do the swatches, and then I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna have a nap. Okay, so the collection we're trying out today is the Complexion collection. Is that what it's called? Anyway, so the idea behind this collection was for like different skin tones and stuff, for like, I guess, obviously Nailz by Dev and like all of her super talented people, like paint a lot of people, you know what I mean? So it's like meant to be like all different complexions. But anyway, let's get into it. So it's a super cute little box, and then these are all of the polishes we have. Oopsie. I'm gonna bring you in and we're gonna get to swatching. This collection is honestly so stunning. Like, the colors are beautiful. So let's start. We'll go like deepest to lightest. Okay, so the first shade we have is called Black Cherry, and obviously this is the deepest of the collection, and it's absolutely stunning. This is it here. I think this is such a beautiful shade. I cannot wait to put this on my nails. Like, so gorgeous. The next one we have is called Mocha Magic, and this one's like a little bit lighter, but it's still so pretty as well. I just think these are some of the prettiest shades that I've seen, and I feel like they're just gonna look so stunning on the nails. I literally cannot wait. Like, how pretty is that gonna look? I cannot wait. Then we have Cocoa Puff, which is still quite deep, but obviously like lighter than the other ones. Cocoa Puff, so pretty. And then like when you put them all together, you can see how like they're all quite deep, but like obviously like varying shades. So pretty. I'm so excited to use these colors. I cannot wait. Then we get into like a bit more of like less deep browns, I guess. Next we have this one called Honey Bun. So cute. This is the shade here. It kind of reminds me of like, I don't know, milk chocolate or something like that. I don't know, it just looks really nice. It looks like a super like yummy shade. It's got like a bit of like a pinky undertone. And yeah, I just think it's stunning. Next we have Bare It All, and I've actually used this one. I use this in my in the Nails from the Crypt collection video, so if you want to see that one in action, that's where it is. And this is it here. It's like getting like a little bit lighter. It's like a kind of tan, pinky, browny kind of shade. Super pretty. Next we have Pinky Promise, and this is getting into like our pinks. So that's Pinky Promise there. That is the swatch. Super pretty. This is kind of like a very like neutrally kind of pink shade, I feel like. Then we have Skinny Dip. Second like lighter shade of the collection, I guess. This one's honestly kind of like a rosy kind of pink. Like, it reminds me of like a bit like rose petal kind of shade. Super pretty though. And then the last one we have is called Baby Doll. And this is obviously like the lightest or like palest, I guess, of the collection. And it is that one there. So stunning. I just feel like there's such nice variety of shades. Let me try and get them all together so you can see. Ooh, okay, I might have actually pulled it off. So that is all of the shades there. I just feel like there's such a nice range, like such a nice variety. I feel like there's so much that you can do with these polishes. They make such a great base, and yeah, I'm just obsessed. I feel like it's such a nice collection. So keep an eye out, because I will be doing a nail set using these polishes very soon, and I cannot wait because they're just absolutely stunning. I can't. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.